students. Today we are going to discuss a new topic on fiber to fabrics. What does it mean? Fiber, it is a thread-like appearance where we get from the plant materials or animal materials. So what are the types? How can we do it? Let us know. Fiber. Children, fiber is strong and flexible thread from which clothes are made. So you must have know the threads. You'll have the cotton threads, you'll have your silk threads like that. From that, if you stitch the clothes, if you arrange the threads properly, so that it forms a fabric, that means a material. From that material we can prepare whatever the likes we wear. So, clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust, rain, also from insect bite. So, different types of clothes we wear in our daily life, depending upon the temperatures. If it's sunny, we'll wear cotton clothes, and cotton clothes which we come from the plant. And silk, when we are silk, which is consist of little shiny material and soft also. So that comes from the cocoon of a silkworm, from an insect. Whereas woolen clothes, when we feel very cold, and that too in the winter season, we likes to cover our body from this cold weather. So this woolen material which comes from the sheep or the goat. So another type of materials, that is a synthetic clothes, that is nylon, rayon, and you're getting, there's a mixture of acids, and we call it as man-made materials. So leaving a part of that, in ancient times we obtained natural fibers from both plants and animals. And also the animal fibers mainly consist of these proteins. Mainly of wool and silk are two important animal fibers. Mainly animals that yield wools are sheep, goat, camels, llamas have thick coats of hair to keep them warm. And these thick coats of hair, to keep this thick, we are going to remove all those thick layers, and from there we are going to prepare the woolen clothes. And there are some breeds of sheep that have only soft underhairs, and scientists specially develop these breeds to give birth more and more of their kind. Such process of choosing animals in a particular desirable characteristics and breeding them to produce young ones with those characters is called as selective breeds. Where for these types of breeding animals, the scientists and the people who is taking care of this cattle and all, they'll give a nice, very nice, proper healthy food for the production of the meat, milk, and all this wool. And also, but moreover, you can see in alpaca, llama, yak, angora rabbit, and angora goat. These are the few breeds that you can get the wool material. Moreover, wool, fur, and all, which is used for the preparation of the materials, fabrics, you can say. And mostly these are present on northern plains, the northern regions where there is a very cold places and all. As sheep are herbivores, their main food are consist of grass, leaves, and grains. They are moreover depending on it, and moreover they are in having this barley also to keep themselves warm and all, and to produce good milk and meat, and also the wool. So this is about the topic. Thank you.